everyone, welcome back. Wow, had a great day today. Went out with my grandson Kees. They've just come over from New Zealand to live here permanently in Australia, Western Australia. We decided to go down and do some shooting at the pistol club. He's owned airsoft guns in New Zealand. They're illegal over here, believe it or not. But he's very familiar on how to load, unload, and the safety features and what's expected when shooting pistols. He prefers real guns than airsoft, so good on him there. After we'd finished at the pistol club, we went and got something to eat, and then he expressed a desire to want to go up to where they used to live and have a look at the area up there in his old house. So I decided to take him up on the motorbike, so we went for a ride up there. We checked out the new railway station, which has just opened up there. So I hope you enjoy the footage which we got here. Alright, so we're going to the next target. So that was twice the distance. The grouping's still pretty good. It's not a bad score. Yeah. Alright, now we're going to do your turn.
Alrighty. So how?
Yep, send it down. Yep, that's it.
Yeah.
Let's end those up. actually grouped it better than the last shot. So you got the train station over there.